Our topic is all about the content in arts. Everybody,
The meaning or message that is expressed in understanding the concept of art. It is important to note that there are
the meaning of the content in art is the examples, painting, plain, going of, um, uh, painting arts. For example, this painting, Guernica is painting of the Pablo Picasso. For example, the picture in sorry, but it is a lack of information. Some information is our the silver. For example, in the painting is this as our painting in in Pablo Picasso is all about the
is all.
is all about the painting of is the honor of war and suffering of innocent. This painting of the Pablo Picasso. Another example is music. Music is title of Hallelujah, composed in Leonard Cohen. This, that is the content in arts. Next is punctual meaning. Punctual meaning is the most rudimentary level of meaning of it may be destructive from the identifiable or recognizable form of art and understanding how these elements relate to one another. Example of punctual meaning is the clear information or accurate information and important decision making and it provide fundamental definition of understanding work around convince and decision manang makatuhanan ba? And that is the
Still life.
punctual meaning. Next is conventional
Meaning.
everybody read.
Using motifs, signs and symbols and other ciphers as basis of its meaning. These conventions are established through time, strengthened by the current use and wide acceptance by its viewers or audience and scholars who study them.
For example, sa conventional meaning is kanang color. For example, kanang red. They mean sa culture, about the culture is kanang pag-red kay this means fire or blood and danger. That's the meaning of the conventional meaning. Or another example
Proceed.
Kung saan i-interpret
Proceed.
into person to person. Like in this is the one. Like another example in a movie. The movie was amazing.
Oh, may
That's the interpretation of
subject.
the person who read the it or the when Muslim interpret. Next is the other flavor of the functional punctual meaning and the conventional meaning and subjective meaning. The functional meaning is focuses on subject root and can be varied, and the conventional meaning is focuses on shared understanding and cultural norms, even if it's not literally true. As a subjective meaning focus on the personal interpretation and experience, which can vary from person to person.
Proceed.
This is the example.
Saglit, bigyan ko na.
This is evaluate.
Analysis. Hey, graduate.
Meaning, creation story, creation of man.
Conventional meaning.
Man was created in the image and likeness of God.
Subjective meaning. Endowment of
Revelation of man from God.
The subject is the biblical arts. Example, this image is all about the biblical arts, and including that dito ang punctual meaning, conventional meaning, and subjective meaning. This